find yourself with a couple of projects, one needing bolts and this one most likely needing studs. Well, you gotta take one out for the other. So, do it one at a time. Retorque the values. We're gonna put them in just like it's brand new. ARP makes some good stuff. Don't forget your PTFE, Text. Clean these, brake clean some air, make sure they're nice and clean. And this is one of those places that a little extra is okay. It's got nowhere to go as long as it's on the threads and not down in the hole. That looks like enough for me. Now if you ask me, real men use directions. And when you're installing a stud, you never tighten it with a ratchet. You make sure it's bottom, back off, and just touch it by hand. Don't forget, fastener assembly lube comes in all bolt kits. You're going to need to put a little bit on the threads here, and on either side of the washer, and the surface of the nut. So, see how these are made? A little bevel, a little bit of stamp. So that fatter edge goes down to the head, a little bit smaller diameter, a little bit sharper edge goes up to the nut. You can try not to get that assembly lube on everything, but it's got a way of touching everything. Now, since you're doing this kind of a silly maneuver like me, make sure that you get this thing torqued down close to where it was before. Before moving on. And you can final torque with that extra 10, which is in the directions for these. And that's what I get to do for the rest. Thanks for watching. Well, let's get it equal.